Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on my new baby, the Louis Vuitton Cannes bag. I have a little review. I have pros, I have cons. So if you're wondering or wanting to purchase this bag, then you've come to the right place because I'm going to tell you all the details. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Maria Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're that kind of thing, I'm obsessed. So if you are too, then please consider to hit that subscribe button. Also the notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so like I said before, I have a little review for you guys. I have pros, I have cons, but also at the end of the video I have mod shots for you, which I've had so many questions on how it fits and everything. So yeah, that's going to be at the end of the video. But let's start off with the exterior of the bag. So as you guys can see, it is the reverse monogram, and then this is the calf leather trim, and this bag has no vachetta. The hardware is gold, like all Louis Vuitton handbags. And then my little favorite part of this bag is the top of it shows a little bit of the regular monogram, which is a really nice touch. Also, the bottom has 4 feet and it has the reverse monogram. And then the back of it again has that calf leather trim, but the bag is not fully like circle shaped, so they put this little panel to make it flush against your body, which I think is amazing, because I feel like it would be really uncomfortable if it was round and on your body. And then the zipper goes all the way around the bag like so, and this little flap right here is holding the top of the bag. So I'll show you when I open it, but yeah, that is the exterior. It has this little leather detail, and it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, and these little gold buttons also say Louis Vuitton, and under here is the date code of this bag. Also on the sides you have these D-rings that are the gold hardware, and this is where you put your strap. So here is the Louis Vuitton strap for this bag, and it has adjustable holes where you can adjust it to whatever length you want. So it can be a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag, but you guys know I love my versatile straps, which I can actually take off the bag as well. I love that, but also being able to adjust it however I want. It is gold hardware, as you guys can see. It has these little clasp things where you can hook it onto the bag, and each one says LV on there, which is really nice, a little nice touch. And also on the 4 feet at the bottom it does say Louis Vuitton. Just trying to close up for you guys if you guys can see that. It says Louis Vuitton on each button. And overall this bag is stunning. It is so eye-catching because it's so different and unique, and I just really love it. So on the top handle right here, it is sturdy. You can't fold this down or anything because it's the gold hardware that's holding it, is making it stop to fold down, so you can't. It just stays like this. Also, there's this little gold hardware right here where you can actually lock the bag. So what you do is put the zipper pull tab right in there and you put the lock. I have the lock right in here, but you can lock it if you want to. Yeah, this bag does feature that security, so I just wanted to show you guys. Now we're gonna get inside of the bag, and there's really not much to talk about on the interior because it's just like one big hole. But the interior is made out of microfiber suede, which is really nice. Microfiber suede has 50-50. It can be a pro, but it also can be a con. I would recommend, if you have a bag that has microfiber suede, to get an organizer just to keep the suede in perfect condition, and it just keeps your bag organized, especially because it has no pockets. It's just good to have it organized, have everything have a place, and it's just better that way, I feel, in my opinion. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but it's just my suggestion. So yeah, when you open the bag, it has this little leather bit which says Louis Vuitton made in France, which I love. When you open it, it has the microfiber suede, which is so nice, and it gives the bag a really luxurious feel to it. That's the interior. So I also wanted to give you guys dimensions of this bag, because for sure when I saw it online I thought it was way smaller than when I received it in person, and I was so surprised and really actually excited that it was bigger than when I thought it was online. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys dimensions. So the length of this bag is 5.91 inches. The height of this bag is 6.69 inches. The width of the bag, which is 5.91 inches. So that will give you a better perspective, hopefully, on how big this bag is. Okay, so my first pro to this bag, and probably my pro for every handbag that I own, is the versatility of this bag. So not only is the strap removable, which makes it versatile, but the strap can be adjusted to whatever length you want it to be. So it can be worn crossbody, it can be worn shoulder length, but also how this bag features the reverse monogram but also the regular monogram. I just love the little mix of both monograms. It just gives the bag so much character, and it's just a little nice touch. I just really love how they did that with this bag. So to me, that is versatile because it makes it even more fun to pair outfits with this. And for the strap being versatile, you can wear it in many different ways to give it a sort of a different kind of look. You can also wear this bag top handle, which looks stunning, just like holding this by your side. You look so chic and all. But yeah, overall, yeah, I would definitely consider this bag very versatile. Okay, so my second pro for this bag is how this bag is structured. It's that like tough canvas. I really like that because this bag can fit a lot, and I do have a what's in my bag on my YouTube channel, so if you want to go check that out, go check that out, please. But I love how you can stuff this bag, but also the shape doesn't change. It doesn't bulge in any areas. It doesn't slouch because the bottom is very sturdy, and it's just a structured bag, so I love that. So if you are packing it, you can't even tell. Yeah, the weight is kind of heavy after you pack it, but the overall look of it doesn't look any different, so I really like that about this bag. So my third pro for this bag is that it does fit quite a lot, and you guys will see that in my what's in my bag video, but I do love how it fits a lot. When I saw it online, I was just like, I don't know if it's gonna fit a lot because it is structured, but also it's a circular bag, so I was just like, what can actually fit? And I did look up reviews and videos as always, and I was like finding out that you can actually fit a ton in here, so I was really surprised, and it was really fun to see what actually like my essentials could fit in this bag when I received it. Fourth pro of this bag, like I mentioned before, how the versatility, how you can wear it in many different ways, crossbody, shoulder style, and also top handle, so it gives you flexible ways you can wear this with whatever outfit you are doing, or not you're doing, but you're wearing that day, which is really nice. So that is definitely a pro for me. My fifth pro of this bag is that this bag has feet at the bottom. I just not only think that this is a nice touch to the bag, but it obviously will protect the reverse monogram if you're laying it on a table or on a chair or something. It's gonna protect the canvas, and it just gives it a little nice detailing extra touch to the bag, which I really love. My sixth pro for this bag is that actually someone mentioned it to me, and you guys, you know who you are, so thank you so much. But someone pointed out to me, if you're not wearing it crossbody or shoulder bag without the strap that day and you're wearing a top handle, these D-rings can be accessorized with a keychain or with my key pouch I can even put on here that she actually suggested, which is really nice, and it will give the bag a little accessory and make it more cute than it is. And also you can also fit like a bandeau on the top handle because it is structured, and it'll just keep the canvas in perfect condition. So I like how you can accessorize this bag to make it even cuter and different from someone else's bag, so I really like that. So thank you for sharing that little tip with me. My last pro of this bag is that it doesn't have any Vuitton leather. Vuitton leather is untreated, so if you get a watermark on it, it's gonna show until it patinas. But I love how this bag doesn't have any Vuitton because it won't show the wear and all, even though I wouldn't bring this bag out on a rainy day or anything like that. I actually like the factor that I don't really have to worry about this bag if it does rain that day without me knowing. So I really like how this bag doesn't feature the Vuitton, and I just really like how the black and the reverse monogram and the regular monogram look together. It just gives that bag a little edgy look, but also very chic at the same time, so I really like that. Okay, so now I'm going to share the cons of this bag. I have had quite a few cons to this bag, even having it for a short amount of time, but I just overall really like this bag, and I really think it's more of a collector's piece than an everyday bag. And my reason being is, first con to this bag is this top handle. It's a 50-50 because, like I said, a pro because it's a different way of wearing this bag, because you can hold it top handle, but also on the other hand, when it is on your body and you're trying to get inside of the bag, this can get in the way of getting inside of the bag. Because it doesn't move or anything, and it just can get in the way. So I definitely think that's a con. Second con of this bag is it is hard to open this bag with one hand. You literally have to hold it against your body and unzip it all the way through. And it can be a little bit of a hassle, especially if you're wearing a crossbody. It upsets me because of the back of the bag. This little leather bit right here is only holding the top of the bag, so I don't really like how this is the only piece that is holding the bag together. I feel like over time it's gonna be flimsy and start to be even harder to close the bag, but I just wanted to also point that out to you guys. My third con to this bag is, even though the strap of the bag is adjustable and you can wear it crossbody, it is a little short for crossbody if you're more on the curvy side like I am. It can go higher onto your body than it hitting on your hip if you are more of a petite kind of person. So I just wanted to point that out for the girls that are curvier out there. It is short, and I will show you guys mod shots at the end of the video, but I just wanted to point that out. The strap is short, so it might be uncomfortable for you if you have it on your body in a certain way and you can't put your arm down, but I will show you guys mod shots of that at the end of the video to explain a little bit better. Fourth con to this bag is the microfiber suede interior. In the beginning of the video, I suggested you guys to get an organizer because microfiber suede can get dirty easily. I do really suggest buying an organizer if you are wanting to buy this bag, just to keep the suede in perfect condition for a long period of time. Just wanted to point that out for you guys as well. The last con to this bag is I really don't like how they place the date code under this little leather bit, only because when I've seen a video, I haven't done it myself, but I've seen a video where, a couple videos actually, that when you lift this piece up, it starts to crease right here because of the button placement and also the stitching. So I just don't like how they place the date code right here. Wanted to mention that to you guys, and also mention that the date code is located under this little leather bit. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions about this bag or about anything else, you can leave them down in the comments, or you can come message me on Instagram. I will leave my name on the screen. Please go follow me there. I post a lot of pictures. I've just been really active on there. I'll tell you guys upcoming videos and everything like that, and I just love talking to you guys. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.